How to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Play Store application and search for Roblox application just to make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Now as you can see, my app requires an update, so I'm just going to tap on update and wait until it gets updated and installed on my device. Now it may take a while to get updated depending upon the internet connection of your device and your area, so just make sure it is stable and just wait for a while. Now it is updated. Now it's just installing the updates on the application. So I'm just gonna go to the Roblox application now, and after that it will lead me to the home page of the application. It's loading right now. Now when you enter the Roblox, make sure that you're logged into your account. So here's my home page. So what I can do to see if someone has viewed my profile is, when someone sends me the request or someone wants to be friend with me, the notification pops up for me. So when someone has seen my profile and someone wants to send message or someone wants to be friend with me, it means that they have viewed my profile, right? So next what we can do is just go to the profile by tapping on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner, and then you can just tap on your profile. So here's just the QR of your profile. That's my profile over here. So if someone wants to be friend with you or wants to connect with you, they can just scan this QR and be friend with you, but there's no direct way to see who has viewed your Roblox profile. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.